Today we will be discussing a baking soda volcano and its chemical reaction between baking soda and vinegar. What we need to do is gather up our materials. We need a pre-made volcano, which can be made out of paper mache, Play-Doh, or any other materials, a half a cup of white vinegar, a quarter cup of liquid dish soap, 1 teaspoon orange or red food coloring, 1 tablespoon baking soda, and 1 small container comparable to a 35mm film case size. Once our volcano is made, let's get the baking soda, 1 tablespoon, and put it into the film case. Next, put in a few drops of the food coloring, along with a quarter cup liquid dish soap. Then let's pour in the white vinegar and see what happens. What just happened is the reaction between baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, and vinegar, acetic acid, and it generates carbon dioxide gas, which is used in chemical volcanoes and other projects. Here is a look at the reaction between baking soda and vinegar and the equation for the reaction. Baking soda plus vinegar creates a chemical reaction creating carbon dioxide, water, and a sodium acetate. The chemical reaction actually occurs in 2 steps. First, there is a double displacement reaction in which acetic acid in vinegar reacts with sodium bicarbonate to form sodium acetate and carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is unstable and undergoes a decomposition reaction to produce the carbon dioxide gas. The carbon dioxide escapes the solution in bubbles. The bubbles are heavier than air, so the carbon dioxide collects at the surface of the container and overflows it.